Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move multiple or several folders and files on your computer all at once. I'll wish these files and folders to be moved to the right hand side of my desktop. I can decide to move one by one, but that will take a long time and it is not just effective. So one of the best way to move all these files and folders at once is to select them and then move them. So to move these files all at once, all I need to do is to select all of them. And once you have selected, long press on one of them and then just drag it to where you want. So I want to move them here. And there we go. They have all been moved at one place. Also, I'll wish to move this to this part. To do so, I'll still do the same. Just select all of them and then long press on one and drag and drop where you want them to move. Now the same also applies to apps. If I want to move these apps, say I want to move the 4 of them, I can also select all of them and then move them wherever I want. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.